Well, good evening, folks, and welcome back to the farm. We're late getting after the chores here this evening because my wife's working night shift, and so I picked up the kids from daycare. We actually passed each other on the road. She went to work, I come home, got the kids supper, got them bathed, and got them off to bed. And so now it's time to get out and kind of get some stuff done. But I just want to talk for a moment about electric fence. So, oh man, how many years ago was it now? It wasn't that many years ago. We took a family holiday over to Slave Lake, and we had a lake lot right against the water, a whole bunch of young kids, and we thought, man, oh man, like this could be a hazard. This could be a hazard. How are we going to keep these kids from just like diving in the water and being swept away? So at that point in time, we had a whole bunch of little sheeps like that, and my wife and I had the conversation about, would it be really cool to have some electric netting that we could move around the yard and do some stuff with, but the cost is high. I think at that point in time it was about $270 for one of these rolls, which is 164 feet. So it was pretty pricey, but I was able to swing it and said, well, we're taking the kids to the lake. We could stop by the Peavey Mart and get a couple rolls of that stuff, and then just set it up around the campsite, and then, none of the kids end up in the lake. It worked out pretty good. Anyways, the other day, one of my regular viewers, Chad, said something about, it's better to ask. Better to beg forgiveness than ask permission. So, anyways, we were kind of thinking about doing, expanding the little mobile grazing kind of thing we got going on. So today I went to the Peavey Mart. Well, I went to UFA and Peavey Mart, and what a find, I tell you. So what I got is this Starkline 164 feet by 35 inches, which is exactly the wiring we have over there. But it's a kit. It's not just the wiring. I paid $279 for this. We paid, I think it was it was about $270 for the other stuff. So the price hasn't really gone up. But like I said, this is a kit. This is what's cool about this. It comes with the netting. It comes with an energizer. It comes with a ground pin. It comes with the leads. It comes with a fence tester. And it comes with a repair kit. So I was actually at Peavey Mart, and I bought the first one. I bought this one, and I bought a bag of dog food. And then I went back to work after my lunch break, and I was just like, I gotta go back. I gotta go back because this is $120 off price, right? So these kits are $400. I paid $280 for these. So if this is I'm not saying this is the be all end all, but if this is what you use on your small farm, your hobby farm, your acreage, maybe a bigger operation, I don't know, if this is what you're using, is $120 off the retail price. That's a 30% discount. If you use electric netting, wire, energizers, any of that stuff, that stuff generally doesn't come on sale, and if it comes on sale, you certainly don't get a very big discount. 30% is significant. So I was like, on the way home, here's the beg forgiveness piece. Yeah, we won't be buying cheese for the macaroni anytime soon because I picked up this second one right here. So now we have like an additional 328 feet of electric netting to use. So that's gonna be fantastic for expanding into some of the peripheral, less accessible areas of the farm. I can't get in there with a tractor and pound fence posts because it's out in the bush. Well, I can get in there with a weed whacker and clear a trail and run some of this wire. But like I said, it comes with the fence energizer. There is another kit that actually comes with a solar energizer. This one comes with the plug-in one. So these are actually going to go on the shelf, just kind of as hot spares. I may end up actually selling this because it's brand new. I have a second one right there. This energizer powers 3 of these nets. So I probably have more energizers than what I need right now. Like I said, the lead, it's kind of weird. It's got like one positive lead, but then the negative lead actually goes to the ground pin, and it's like bolts on. It's got eyelets on both sides. It's not clamps on both sides. And then the one thing I thought was really cool was this multi-line electric fence tester. That was a big deal for me because for the longest time it's been snap, is it working or is it not working? So I've been the fence tester, and these are not cheap, right? So to have it included in the kit is pretty awesome. So like I said, it's late. Unfortunately, it's 10 o'clock. Holy man, it's 10 o'clock at night. So I'm not going to get this put up tonight. It's just not going to happen. However, in the coming days, we're going to go down by the creek and we're going to assemble this and put it all together. And we're going to take probably the majority of these lambs down there and just give it a try. Just give it a try. Just free birding out in the bush and see how well they clean that up. And I'm really excited about it. So hopefully the wife forgives me. Hopefully we're not destitute now. And, we've got a little bit more pasture accessibility now. Anyways, on that note, I got a whole mess of chores to get done. Like I said, it's already 10 o'clock at night, so I better get after it. So I'll let you go for now. I hope you have a fantastic evening, and we'll see you tomorrow.